In today's competitive job market, traditional resumes are quickly becoming obsolete, especially for novice job seekers. By 2025, over 90% of companies are using AI-powered applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to screen resumes. This means your resume is often rejected by AI before a human ever sees it, making optimization essential. Common mistakes include using tables, graphics, or uploading PDFs instead of .docs files, which can confuse these systems. PDFs, for instance, cannot showcase technical proficiency through live projects or software skills, unlike interactive platforms. The shift is clear. AI, not just humans, is now the primary gatekeeper for job applications. AI-powered resume screening goes beyond simple keyword matching, utilizing natural language processing to understand your experience deeply. It can deduce the breadth and effect of a leadership role from subtle indications within your resume. Moreover, AI is evolving to prioritize skills over experience, identifying transferable skills and relevant competencies. This technology can also help reduce bias in the initial screening phase by focusing purely on qualifications. So, how can you leverage AI to optimize your resume and significantly boost your chances of getting noticed? AI-powered tools offer features like customized templates, content suggestions, and job description optimization. They provide instant feedback, grammar checks, and revision options to perfect your application. These tools can generate resume content from a job title, rewrite existing sections, or shorten long bullet points into concise summaries. Some can even scan a job description and update your resume to match what recruiters are looking for, adding relevant keywords. To optimize for AI, always use a clean .docs format, insert job-specific keywords, and avoid tables or graphics. Stick to standard headings like education, work experience, and skills for easy ATS parsing. Tools like JobScan or Rezi can check ATS compatibility and provide personalized suggestions. Remember, customizing your resume for every job application is crucial in 2025. Key steps include using an ATS-friendly format, incorporating relevant keywords, and ensuring proper formatting. Always proofread to eliminate grammatical mistakes and utilize AI resume checkers to test your document. By 2025, professional summaries are crucial, replacing outdated objective statements. These summaries should be concise, highlighting key skills relevant to the specific job. Modern skills require dynamic representation beyond a static PDF, showcasing abilities through real-world projects. Interactive elements and verification mechanisms, like digital badges or blockchain-based credentials, add credibility. The best approach involves AI and recruiters working together, empowering recruiters with AI tools. Companies integrating AI-powered hiring can move faster, reduce bias, and find better talent without losing the human touch. Dominant resume formats in 2025 include enhanced chronological, strategic hybrid, and ATS optimized. Outdated formats like pure functional or generic one-size-fits-all can significantly hurt your chances. Embrace AI to transform your job search and stand out in today's competitive landscape. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button to support us. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on various topics for novice job seekers.